Hi guys, welcome back to GuideWise. Today I'm going to show you how to create good posts for Instagram using Canva. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. So once you create your account with Canva, I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys so it's easier. You're going to click on social media and then we're going to click on Instagram posts because that's what we want to create for today. Now here, as a result, Canva is going to give you all kinds of templates depending on what you like, what you usually do with Canva. And if you have Canva Pro, you're going to have access to a lot more templates. So I'm just going to pick one that I like. This one looks really cool. And I'm going to start making it my own. So the first thing I would do is to delete this picture. And I'm going to add a picture of my brand. So you can go ahead and do the same. And then from here on, you just simply have to add more things about yourself. So let's say I'm a UGC creator. I'm going to add that as UGC. And then I'm going to add random facts about me. I'm going to use this post to do exactly that. So loves matcha, Pilates, basic. That's kind of me. I'm going to put something extremely Virgo because that's me. Style. I'm going to use this template. Actually, I'm going to use what it says. So style. What's my style? That's a good question. I don't know. Mood, anxious, and then job, content creator. I'm going to put marketing. It's a little bit less long. And that's it. In case you guys want to edit it more, you can change the color. You can also change the background. Let's select the background. We can go right here to background on the left. And then maybe your favorite color is green. And it's going to show you different fonts and different backgrounds that you can use to make this post a little bit more you. That's it, you guys. Remember that Canva is all about learning how to play with the fonts, with the colors, with the backgrounds, and you really don't need much. So I hope this video helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe.